Really enjoyed our kind of mini vacation yesterday because the weather was bad here in Wilderness, South Africa. I feel recharged. I feel ready to travel. And that's what we're kind of doing over the next couple days. We're heading down the coast all the way to Hermanus today to meet up with Snelly. And then tonight's our last night in Africa. This part of South Africa is so beautiful. We just left Wilderness. There's awesome seascapes. I think that when people think of South Africa, they think of Cape Town, they think of Kruger, they maybe think of the Drakensberg's mountains, but the garden route is just unbelievable. And I need to spend more time in this area, I think. But for now, we gotta hit the road. Made it to Hermanus and have just the perfect view out here. We're actually just here for one night, but just by coincidence, we're actually here at the same time as Snelly. So I'm gonna meet up with Greg, and actually we have a big announcement happening, so it's announcement day, and yeah, I guess let's go find him. So I'm here with Greg or Snell. What's going on, man?
Good. How are you?
Good. You've been cruising South Africa?
Yeah, the southern eastern part of Africa. So you guys have been sort of Botswana, Zambia, Namibia, and Nelly and I went to Madagascar, Mozambique, Swaziland, and now we meet up here.
Yeah, so if you haven't checked out Greg's content recently, go check it out. Lots of fun stuff. So anyway, it's tomorrow. I was totally planning on, going out and shooting sunset, finding Greg and Nelly for dinner, and then, filming this video. But it's tomorrow because, I don't know, I've just been like, I think I'm just ready for a holiday, to be honest. So it's tomorrow, and it's announcement time. What are we doing?
We're announcing. Yes, a very cool trip. Our first ever official video collaboration. The first ever BBS video workshop, which is really exciting. And it's going to be in
Bali.
Whoa!
We're going back to Bali. I should mention this isn't just a video trip. It's a photo video trip. It's going to happen September 1st to 10th in Bali. It's going to be epic. It's going to be just a really cool thing. It's going to be a retreat. We're going to rent out an awesome villa. There's going to be about, I don't know, hopefully 8 to 12 participants. And the focus is going to be on video, but there's going to be photography as well. So it's kind of going to be Greg's show, although I'll be around for most of the days as well. It's 9 days in total. It's going to be 5 full days of video and then some photography days, but there's going to be video lessons kind of every day.
Yeah, we're going to be trying to build something epic. So at the end of the 9 days, you've got something to take home with you. Not only the knowledge that you've learned, but also a physical video. So the idea is that you come on board and we sort of storyboard the idea of what you want to be filming over the 9 days. And then the next day we kind of timeline it and start the editing process. And by the end, all the participants can share their final epic piece, whether it's a vlog or if it's a hero piece or if it's I don't know, a really detailed story or documentary, whatever. That's the creative process, which is going to be amazing.
Yeah, I think the idea is show up on day 1 and teach you to storyboard. Day 2, it's putting stuff into a timeline in Premiere. Day 3, cutting things and adding transitions. Day 4, you're starting to add some music and you're starting to get a flow to it. And you build this process so that by the time you leave Bali, you can create epic videos like what Greg puts together. So I think that that's the whole point, but we are going to go out and shoot photography as well. The daily kind of look of things, because it's a retreat and not a tour, is we're going to be based in the same place every day. We'll wake up in the morning for sunrise, that's optional. For those of you that want to sleep in can sleep in. Then we come back for breakfast. After breakfast, you're gonna have like seminar stuff. So it'll be a couple hours where you can learn how to edit, or you can learn how to photo edit, or you can learn how to just import things. You just learn, or you can chill out. We're gonna have massages included, yoga classes included, swimming pool time included. We're gonna have those giant inflatable donuts that you can just chill out in the pool all day if you want. It's gonna be fun. Lunchtime, then afternoon, go out on another activity or excursion. The trip's totally all-inclusive, minus alcohol, minus the booze for the boozies, and all the information is in the link below. There's, I think it's $22.90 in terms of 2,290 euros, but again, I don't really remember. All the info's in the link.
It's on the website, so be sure to check that out.
There's also a couples discount, so you only pay an extra $1,000 and you get to be 2 people. So
Yeah,
you
bring
can
your partner.
Bring your partner if you want. They can participate, or they can just lay by the pool in the donut all day.
We should probably say too that Nelly and Jody are going to be there as well. So if you'd like to meet Nelly and myself, that would be awesome. And I think it's going to be an incredible experience and really cool to run the first ever BS video photo workshop.
Yeah, it's gonna be wicked. There's tons of announcements still coming on the channel. I'm going back to the UK tomorrow, and then going to visit Tom, my boy Tommy Heat. T-Heat. And there's gonna be an announcement with Thomas Heaton in a couple weeks, maybe a month. And actually there's gonna be 2 announcements with Thomas Heaton, so that'll be fun. Okay, since we did the announcement, well, we did it kind of slow, but that was faster than I expected. Since the announcement's done, we're gonna go lightning round Q&A. So I'm gonna ask you a question, then you're gonna ask me a question.
Okay.
And we're gonna hopefully not get hit by a wave.
This is totally unrehearsed.
Totally unrehearsed. The answer to the question has to be possible in less than a sentence.
Okay.
Or not less than a
Like
sentence.
Twitter, 140 characters.
Yeah, 140 characters. How's South Africa?
Wild. Really good for landscape photography on the coast. My turn. What's the best photo you got in the last 3 months?
Whoa. God, if I know. Oh man, I don't know.
I've got one.
What's your best photo?
Of the lilac-breasted roller.
Okay, send it to me so I can post it. My best photo the past 3 months is probably the one of Dead Flay of the dune.
Yeah, that was a good one. The landscape shot. Your turn.
If you could have either the EOS R, now that you filmed with it today, or the GH5, which would you be using?
EOS R.
Really? Even though you can't do 120 frames per second?
Yeah, it just looks fantastic. I mean, I can shoot photos with it as well.
Even though it's only got 1 card slot?
That doesn't bother me.
How heavy is the Ronin?
It's ridiculous. It's so heavy. It's like double the weight of my setup, and that's already heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn.
Oh yeah.
How many kilometers have you driven on the last 3 months?
Minimum 6 billion.
That's not real, but I bet it's around 6,000 or higher.
Did you see lemurs in Madagascar?
Yes, many.
Did you find King Julian?
Don't know who that is.
Oh, I like laughing. It's such a nice experience. Sorry, do you mind going back? This is first class. It's nothing personal. It's just that we're better than you.
Then you let her like lean forward just another little bit until you're just a lips distance away from each other. And then you just tell her how much you hate her.
Do you know what a fusa is?
No, I don't know what a fusa is. Is that an insult?
No, it's an animal.
Not a cat, not a monkey, and certainly not a ferret. Madagascar's fusa is a mysterious wonder.
There's no follow-up? No. You're not going to explain what a fusa is?
No, you can look it up if you want to know what a fusa is.
What's your plan over the next month?
Right, so Nelly and I are leaving South Africa in about a week, and we're going to Germany Christmas, Iceland BBS photo workshop adventure tour, Austria skiing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you scared of the winter climates to come?
100%. I'm a summer baby. Are you scared of the winter climate in Iceland?
Yes. I've already ordered fleece underwear.
You know what? I need to get some of those photography gloves, man.
Yeah, you do. Valorette photography gloves. For those of you guys, this is not sponsored by Valorette. They've never sponsored anything. They're just awesome.
And I need some gloves.
Yeah.
I think I'm out of questions.
Okay, I'm out of questions too. That's it for today's video. Just an announcement with the Snell. Go check out his channel for some videography stuff and some good travel stuff. Tomorrow, which is actually today, we got up this morning and shot a sunrise, so that's going to be on the next video, sunrise landscape photography. And then this afternoon, on tomorrow's episode, We're flying back to the UK for Christmas, and I hear there's bad weather, which is shocking for the UK.
Yeah, never happens.
Anyways, guys, we will see you later. Thanks for coming out, man.
Peace.